Don't get rid of the avocado pit or seed. Here's why. The avocado pit has great benefits. I'm going to show you at the end of the video how easy it is to make a tea or a regular drink so you can get healthier. But first, let's take a look at the benefits. Did you know the avocado pit has more than 70% of antioxidants present in the whole fruit? So those antioxidants slow down the damage in our human cell. Therefore, they prevent aging. I know you're liking this already, right? I got your attention. All right, besides aging, the avocado pit helps to improve physical and mental performance and also helps to lower cholesterol levels and so blood pressure. One of the things that I like most about the avocado pit is that it has antimicrobial effect. Therefore, it prevents any bacterial or viral infections. All right, so let's start making the avocado tea or drink, shall we? So that's it. Now that you know how to make a drink or a tea from the avocado pit, you don't want to get rid of the avocado pit anymore. I have to say that you might want to add a little bit of honey or agave because it's a little bit bitter. But either or, enjoy it. All right? Thank you, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.